My name is Brooke Jacobs, and I'm presenting What's in the Water. So, have you ever wondered what's really in drinking water and how we know it's safe to drink? Um, that's kind of what the purpose of this experiment is just to see. That's how people can tell if the water is safe to drink or not. So the purpose is to determine which substances are safe to consume and what isn't safe to consume. And to do that, they use IR and NMR spectroscopy. IR is um, infrared, and then NMR is the neuromagnetic resonance. So for IR spectroscopy, the electrons aren't affected. It increases the energy of the molecular vibration, and then it determines the functional groups that are present. And then the NMR shows the excitation of a proton. So here on the left, the picture is of the IR and the NMR spectroscopies. So you can see the peaks at the bottom of them, where the point is at the bottom. And if it's larger, then you know that it's a functional group that's present. Like the smaller ones, it doesn't show that there's a present. So for the experiment, we had to determine the functional groups that were present. So to do that, the possible functional groups were OH, CH with the benzene ring, and then CH just a single carbon, and then C double bonded to O, CCl, and CBr. So to see if they were present, you had to look at the spot on the spectroscopy that it was present at. So if there's one present over here at the 3000, so that one would be a CH benzene ring. That would show you that that is present. So you just have to look at the numbers, and again, if it's a bigger peak, that shows that it's present, and if it's a smaller one, then it's not present. So there could be these peaks would not indicate anything is present. It could be or this one over here is small. So even though it's in the part where the CBr would be present, it's really not there because it's such a small peak. So we had to do that, and then determine the ratio between the functional groups. So that would be the NMR. That would be where the NMR came in. So we had to determine the unknown compounds that were present that we were given based on the ratio of the peaks. So at the end, after I figured out the functional groups that were present and then made the ratios, I found out that my compounds were methyl acetate, dibromomethylpropane, and ethyl acetate. I could tell that they were that because there's only a certain amount of each thing that can be in the substances, so you can tell by your ratios, based on your ratios, you can tell which compound you have. So in conclusion, the unknown compounds that I found have different side effects, so that's why they wouldn't be safe. Methyl acetate, they can really all cause skin irritation, coughing, and trouble breathing. Dibromomethylpropane can cause burning of the eyes. Ethyl acetate can cause fainting, and then all the other same things. So basically, the experiment just kind of showed if the drinking water that it's basically just to show you that drinking water that we drink has different compounds in it, and you have to be careful of the compounds that are in it to see whether it is safe to drink the water or not.